I'll show you how you can get the Spotify student plan discount. I recommend you to do this from your laptop because you will need to verify your identity. You want to go to Spotify student like this. Go ahead and go to Spotify student. On Spotify student, you want to pick on which region you're currently on. So I'm gonna pick this one because I live in IT. And then let's just go ahead and tap on premium for students. On here, tap on get premium. Once you tap on Get Premium, you will need to verify your student status. So you will need to be accredited at a college or university. College or university. If you're still in high school or junior high, this doesn't count for you. You will need to be in a college. So pick your country. So you will need to pick your country, for example, in Australia, and then you need to pick your school. So for example, if I go to Sydney University, so the University of Sydney, enter in your first name, John, enter in my last name, Doe, enter in your date of birth, so March, and then let's say it's around the 18th, and then the year is the 2000s. Enter in your email address, and then by checking this box, you will need to verify your student status. And then it will take a couple of days to verify. After you verify it, then you will get the student's discount. So let's just put in our email address. Just put it in like this, and then at gmail.com, and then you will need to verify. Now, on your verify, you can see right now I don't have it verified because I don't go to that university. But for you, it should be okay. Just make sure you enter in all of the correct credential.